5 Law of Attraction Techniques for Deep Connection. Step 1. Create a clear physical image of the person. To attract the energy of a man or a woman of your dreams, you have to have a clear image of what he or she looks like. You can close your eyes and imagine every single detail of his/her face. Imagine the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, the lips, the hair, the mouth, the color of his/her skin, etc. Imagine the face of the person who is about to come into your life, and linger in this clear image. If you don't know what you want physically, then there's no frequency to create, and therefore, no magnet to attract that person. You have to have a clear image of the person, and imagine their face, or you can also write down the physical features to be even more specific. Step 2. Visualize the relationship that you want. Once you've placed a face to the person you want to attract, visualize how your relationship is going to be. Do you want a relationship full of adventure? Do you want the person to be a doctor, a surfer, a musician, maybe? Visualize the life you want to have with that person. Remember that you are creating a frequency that acts like a magnet to attract the very same frequency of your thoughts. Visualize going on a tropical vacation and sunbathing with crystal blue waters only a few feet away. Visualize that person giving you a massage, or maybe showering you with roses, or maybe expensive chocolates. You have to be specific with the kind of relationship you want to have, as well as the character of the person you want to attract. Be as specific as possible. Don't visualize someone who gives you compliments, but rather visualize that person whispering sweet nothings into your ear as you watch a movie at the local cinema where you had your first kiss at 16 years old. Imagine yourself holding a bag of popcorn while that person slowly holds your hand and tells you he or she loves you. Be as specific as possible down to the very little details. Step 3. Be committed. Take time every day to practice these law of attraction exercises. When you visualize, feel the emotion of having that person beside you, and believe that he or she is actually there. Feel that fuzzy and heavenly feeling of having someone love you and you love back. You can listen to love songs talking about relationships, you can watch romantic movies with happy endings, and surround yourself with love. Step 4. Physically prepare yourself for the one. Visualizing and imagining the person you want to attract is not enough. You have to actually physically prepare yourself and your surroundings for that person. Ask yourself as the person of your dreams would be attracted to you. Take care of yourself more, exercise, have a balanced diet, and take care of your skin. Prepare yourself each and every day and believe that you are about to meet the love of your life any minute. For your surroundings, clear out space for that person to arrive. If your driveway fits 2 cars but clutter is everywhere, then clear that space out. Make space for another car to be able to park in your driveway. If you have books that glorify single blessedness, then it's time you give those away. There's no room for that in your coming new life. If you still listen to breakup songs, stop and listen instead to catchy and hopeful love songs. Get rid of any object in your life that's blocking the arrival of the love of your life. Prepare yourself, your home, and your surroundings for that person to arrive. Step 5. Set an intention. Now that you have a clear image of the person you want to attract, the kind of relationship you want to have, are committed, and have physically prepared yourself and your surroundings for that person, it's time you send a call out to the universe. How to attract love with law of attraction. Here is how you do this. 1. Practice daily affirmations of love. Examples could be, Universe, I am prepared for the love of my life to arrive. Bring him today, please. Or it could be, I am ready for my soulmate to walk into the door of our office and finally look into his or her eyes as they are looking into mine. 2. Open your mind by looking around you. Your love won't come if you're locked inside your room. Go out there, do things that your ideal person would be doing. If you want someone who does rock climbing, then go and enroll in a rock climbing class. If you want to be with a musician who plays acoustic guitar and sings 90s alternative rock, then go to an acoustic open mic or bar and look for that specific person. Open your mind and believe that the person whom you want to be with will fall in love with you, but you have to physically be there to make it happen. 3. Open your heart by believing. Believe that when that person looks at you, he or she will be attracted to you. Believe that the person is out there, simply waiting for the day you'll bump into each other at a coffee shop. The law of attraction is a powerful thing. Your thoughts as frequencies can bring about a love that you can never imagine to be possible. Thinking about it, though, is not how it works. Simple visualization is not enough. You'd really have to be incredibly specific with the smallest details, ask for what or who you want, and believe that you can have it. The key to the law of attraction working is by feeling the emotions of romantic love. Even when it hasn't arrived yet, feeling that it's coming or it's already there creates that very frequency, and therefore, believe that the physical manifestation of that frequency is on its way. I can tell you the good news, you will soon find your love, but if you don't believe me, you can always ask a psychic by clicking on a button below.